Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to Korean Moonlight. Let's explore the charming personal life and inspiring journey of Kim Yoo-Jung, South Korea's beloved actress. Kim Yoo-Jung, despite her stardom, is a self-proclaimed homebody who prefers cozy movie nights with her cat over flashy outings. Though she often plays bold, arrogant characters on screen, off-screen she's warm and approachable. In interviews, she's shared mixed feelings about leaving her teen years behind but embraces adulthood, calling herself her own source of strength. Friendship is central to her life. Her closest confidant isn't a fellow celebrity, but a childhood friend she's known since elementary school. Surprisingly, Kim enjoys fishing, a hobby that once landed her a catch over 1 meter long. Standing at 162 centimeters, 5 feet 4 inches, and weighing 47 kilograms, 104 pounds, she balances her petite frame with big passions. When not acting, Kim paints, a skill she honed for her role as an artist in Lovers of the Red Sky, 2021. She prefers oils and acrylics, finding painting a quiet contrast to the expressiveness of acting. Philanthropy is another passion. In 2019, she joined the Green Noble Club after donating over 100 million KRW, $80,000, to Child Fund Korea. She also serves as an ambassador against child abuse for Gyeonggi Province. At 17, Kim made history as the youngest star in Forbes Korea's Top 10 Power Celebrities, 2017, a testament to her cultural impact. Thanks for watching Korean Moonlight. If you enjoyed learning about Kim Yoo-Jung's passions and kindness, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more heartwarming stories about your favorite stars. Stay tuned.